Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recover unsaved document in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Microsoft Word application on my computer. And if we want to recover unsaved document, we can go to the Open menu right here. Just go to the Open, and here you will get option where it says Recover Unsaved Documents. You just need to select this option. Okay, and these are my unsaved documents in my Microsoft Word. And if we want to recover the unsaved document, we just need to select the document, and then we can click on Open. Okay, and after that, we just need to click on Save As, and we will be able to save this document to our computer. And I'm going to save it to my download folder. Okay, just click on Save. Okay, now this unsaved document has been saved to my device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recover unsaved document in Microsoft Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!